This conference will now be recorded.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please unmute yourself?
Now, can you hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now you're audible.
Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, very warm
Good
morning, and
morning,
I
ma'am.
welcome you all to today's session. Today, I'll be introducing you to the KLE hostels. So, we'll just see how the hostel is like.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, you have all taken a very wonderful, very wise decision of joining KLE, uh, and we'll see. Like it's apart from academic life, you have a hostel life too. So you'll be like away from your home. So hostel is like a home away from home. So if you ask someone who has finished their hostel life, they'll be sharing wonderful experience. Like it's more than a hostel a life experience. And sometimes like people will be saying like before they were starting to stay in a hostel, they'll be like it was before vacations were like it was like going away from home. It was like going to home. Now it will be like coming back to home. So hostel life is where you can enjoy, you can have a good friendships, that bonding. You will have this group study, combined study, all the other group activities where you will be like developing your social skills. All those are part of hostel life. So you don't have to worry about it. It is a part of your life, and it is going to be a very wonderful experience. And we'll just see what all things you have in our KLE hostels. So this is the girls' hostel, which is named after a very valiant freedom fighter Rani Chennamma. So we have 5 floors, and you have a lift facility there, and it is very spacious. The rooms are really spacious, and this is the Kuvempu, that is boys' hostel, and this is also nearby. It is placed near to the girls' hostel, just behind KD Dental College. And we have 3 sharing as well as 2 sharing rooms in the hostel. So there are in girls hostels there are 3 sharing rooms, 38 3 sharing rooms and 29 2 sharing rooms. And in 2 sharing rooms you have the attached washroom. And in boys hostel we have 65 3 sharing rooms and 2 sharing rooms. So same attached washroom is in the 2 sharing rooms. And we'll just see what all how the other room looks like. So you have beds, that is it is not it is single bed. And we have this as I just told, there is 2 sharing and 3 sharing, and you have slabs, and where you can place your books, and also you will be providing with your cupboard, and where you can keep your dresses and all such things. So it is pretty spacious. You don't have to worry. In Bangalore, it is very difficult to get spacious rooms, but KLE hostel, all the KLE hostel rooms are really very big and spacious. You don't have to worry about it. Even if it is 3 sharing, it is not at all crowded. It is very spacious. Even I stay in the hostel, so I can assure you that it is very spacious. And why I'm emphasizing is that because in Bangalore it is very difficult to get a spacious room. Even if you pay very high amount, the rooms will be so congested with 3, 4, 5, and 6 people in a very small room. But if you see in KLE hostel, it is really big and spacious. You don't have to worry about it. And we can see the facilities. So we have the canteen, which provides both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food, and it is of your choice. You can go have and pay at the same time. You can pay, and water is also available. Drinking water with RO filters are placed in all the floors. In girls' hostel, all 5 floors, we have the RO filters, and these filters are also maintained regularly. It is cleaned, and all the maintenance are done very regularly. And also you have solar water heater. So this is also another one advantage you can see, because in many hostels this 24 hours hot water facility is not available, but we have the solar water heater in every floor, and you can use it. Then even water facility, we don't have to wait for any Kaveri water supply or something. We have our own bore well facility, so you'll never will be having any scarcity for water. So bore well facility in our campus itself is there. So water surplus amount of water will be there for you. And again, Wi-Fi nowadays, since Wi-Fi and internet facility is very important, inevitable because of the COVID situation where we stay indoors and we have online classes and all. So Wi-Fi facility is also available in both the hostels. In all the floors, the Wi-Fi facility is available. And again, study halls. Study halls are also there in the ground floor in girls' hostel, and even in boys' hostel, you have study halls with tables and chairs, and you can go study there at any time, like even night time or early morning. You can go and you can study there. Very calm atmosphere environment is there. So study halls are available in both the girls as well as boys' hostel. Then, as I said, girls' hostel is having 5 floors, and boys' hostel again 3 to 4 floors are there. So we have this lift facility, and lift also lift. It's also operating 24 hours. So you don't have to climb the stairs and get tired. You have lift facilities also. Then transportation, best facility. So it is also free of cost. Where like from hostel, you can start like around 8:30. You'll be starting from the hostel to college. The bus facility will be there where you can comfortably sit. It is not at all crowded. We have our own bus. 2 buses are exclusively for the PharmC college. So we have our own bus where you can sit comfortably, and within 15 minutes you can reach the college without any bus. And again, for rooms, workers are there for a daily. They'll be coming Monday to Saturday. Rooms are cleaned by, like, workers are available for that. Even the common washrooms are also cleaned daily by the workers allotted. So you don't have to like once you go to college, when you come back, your rooms will be clean. You don't have to again spend time to clean the room or arrange things. So workers are there for cleaning the room as well. Then you have regarding your safety, there is this 24 hours security again, just in front of boys hostel. One security will be there in front of the girls hostel. Again, a security will be there, and in the common gate also there is a security. So 3 securities are there 24 hours. So these securities, like even you can have like they will be also providing you with keys to the terrace and where you can hang your clothes. So these securities are there 24 hours, and there is also CCTV surveillance. In every floor, camera is there, so your safety is also assured. Then we have our warden. She's residential. Even boys also, we have separate warden. Girls, we have separate warden, and both are residential. They are available for you at your service 24 hours. So if you have any concern, even you can contact your warden. Even I am staying in that same hostel. If you have any difficulty, you can contact me as well. So these are, like, in a nutshell, these are all the things, like all the facilities. Now just we'll see more like how all these looks like. Yes, this is how the canteen looks like. So here you can come, it functions from around evening, it will be like around from 7 to 10 o'clock. You can come and have your food. You can pay that time itself, and it's in the menu, from the menu you can choose whatever you want, and you can pay and have it, and you can go back to your room. So evening it's 7 to 10, it will be there. Even morning again 7 to 10 it will be available. Even if you are taking if you're on a leave for lunch also, you can go and have in from the canteen. Then you also have some facilities for games. So outdoor games, you have badminton court, then throw ball. You have also space for basketball and volleyball. So all the even the badminton bats, the cork, and the balls, everything is available. And for indoor games, for those who don't like, those who don't want outside, don't want to go outside, you have also indoor games such as caroms, chess, table tennis, etc. So outdoor game, you have basketball court, and you have badminton court. Then again, you have ample of space to play. You can see here to play cricket or football or volleyball. So you have a place and space for that also. The indoor games, you have table tennis court. Then you have the caroms board, chess board. So you can have spend evening times with along with your friends with some games also. Then for those who are not interested in indoor and external indoor and outdoor games, you also have a gym. So whether you are sad, lost, lonely, or broken, there is always a fix. So gym facilities are available in the morning as well as in the evening. For those who want to go for some exercise in the morning, it is there. So we have in the gym, we have all the equipments, and filter water is there, and also for sanitization. Like for now we know the importance of sanitation. So sanitization, all protocols are maintained there. So you can use the gym also. So KLE Lifetime Fitness, it is inside the campus itself. You don't have to go anywhere outside. It is inside the campus, just ground floor of the boys hostel. So it can be used for both boys and girls. Even the your fitness trainer will also be there, who will be helping you with like how to do the exercise and what diet you have to follow. All those tips will be provided by him. So you have a trainer also, and you can use the gym morning and also in the evening. Then again, recreation hall. Like for those who are not interested in games or in gym, like you can also make avail of the recreation hall, where in both girls hostel and also in boys hostel, you have the television where you can watch and you can spend your extra time there. Then transportation and parking. So as I discussed earlier, like we have to, for going to from college to hostel and back, hostel to college, we are having our own bus facility, which is free of cost. And if you want to go outside somewhere, and if you are scared of Bangalore traffic, you also have the metro station, which is very near. I think not many colleges have this facility, because the metro is very near, just 2 minutes walk from our hostel. We have the Binia metro station and also the Garuvandapalayam metro station. So you don't have to worry about Bangalore traffic. You can go to like many places without losing much of your time. So metro station is very nearby, and you also have, if you want to have like two-wheeler, this parking services are also available. So transportation and parking, you don't have to worry about it. Even you can see in the next coming slides, I've included like how much like what is the distance to go to the railway station or airport. So even all those things are nearby. So you don't have to worry. All the facilities, all the necessary facilities are available. And in case of emergency, you also have hospitals, like just in front of, just you have to put like few footsteps away is the KLE Dental College and Hospital. Then you have the People Tree Hospital, just even not even 1 kilometer far. So People Tree Hospital is there. Then Sparsh Hospital and also Columbia Asia Hospital. All these hospitals are very nearby. So even if you fall sick, don't worry. We have hospitals nearby and we have people to take you there. So all these hospitals are nearby. And if you are out of any essentials, again, we have the More Supermarket, which is again not just like, it will be like around 4 kilometers. The More Supermarket is there, then Vaishnavi Sapphire Mart and also Orion Mall. All these are nearby, not even just within 6 kilometers, you have all these supermarkets. And nearby also you can go for some local shops are there where you can also get your essentials. So the stationery is also not an issue. And in like in case of you need a medicine also in this pharmacy, as is told before, the KD Dental College and hospital is within our campus, and the pharmacy also is there within our campus as a part of that hospital. So for medicines also you don't have to go outside the campus. Then how far is our college from the hostel? So it is just hardly 5 kilometers and it will take around 15 minutes, 14 to 16, 15 minutes it will take for you to reach from the hostel to the college. And it is like the college buses are there, you don't have to worry about it. Just 15 minutes away from the college. Our hostel stays 15 minutes away from the college. Then railway station is also again 12 minutes, just 12 minutes. Yashwantpur railway station is just 12 minutes far from our hostel. So you can access the railway station through metro, or even you can hire an auto, or by bus you can go to the railway station, and it is also very nearby. And the Majestic bus station, this is also 20 minutes far from our hostel. So again, through Majestic also you can go by metro also, and even bus facility is there. Even private bus you can catch, or a private vehicle you can catch. Hardly it will take around 20 minutes. And the travel agencies are also very nearby. Just as I think I discussed, Peenya station, which is just 5 minutes. So just opposite to the Peenya station, we have this few travel agencies also, where you can book bus and go for like when if you want to go to a native in an emergency, so you can always book or use that travel agency facility, which is also very nearby to our hostel. Then to airport, it is 33 kilometers and it will take around like 45 minutes to reach the airport. So that is also easily accessible. Even within 45 minutes, you can reach the airport. Then this is the address. So Rani Chennamma and Kuvempu, it is situated in Yeshwantpur. And regarding the hostel charges, so we have this free sharing room. It is around 65,200 per year, and along with you also have to pay a portion deposit of 5,000. And for two sharing girls hostel, it is 85,200 per year. And the portion deposit is 5,000. So it may look a little bit like high, but if you calculate, like if you stay outside, again the minimum charge is 5,000 for a room. So that 5,000 room is also like when I inquired, I came to know this 5,000 room, 5,000 rent room also, it will be shared by 5 to 6 people, and it calculate 5,000 into 12. It is also coming around 60,000. But even if like if you're staying here in this free sharing room in our hostel, the room is pretty spacious and you don't have to pay any extra fees for the electricity or water, hot water facility. So I don't think it is, from my opinion, I don't think it is higher than what is available outside. So regarding to the quality, what is when we compare it with the quality that is available outside, you cannot just we cannot just compare, because it is very different. So neatness and everything, and the space, especially space constraint, you don't have to worry. And in boys hostel, 3 sharing, it is 55,200 per year, and the portion deposit along with that it becomes around 5,000, and due sharing it is 75,200 per year, and portion deposit along with that 5,000. So this is the hostel fee. Then again we have like if you are a person who goes for evening walk and all, you have a garden there and you have a park just behind the hostel. So for those who are not interested in indoor games, outdoor games, or gym, you can go for an evening walk. We have a garden in front of the college, garden in front of the hostel, and a park just behind the hostel. So that is it. If you have any clarifications or any doubt, you can always ask. Have any doubts or any concern?
Ma'am, when I go to college first time, can my parents stay there for 2 or 3 days?
Parents that I need to ask warden about that.
In which area is girls' hostel located, ma'am?
Same place in Yeshwantpur only.
Ma'am, please repeat once. I can't hear.
Regarding your parents' stay,
Ma'am,
yes.
can you tell me from when we can join our hostels?
Sorry.
From when we can join our hostels?
As you like, you can join even now.
Even now?
Yes. Like once we are ready with the dates.
Even offline classes has not yet started. Can we still join our hostels?
Yes. No issue.
No issues.
No
Thank
issue.
you, ma'am.
Ma'am, why is there a cost difference for the room, girls and boys, ma'am?
I don't know actually.
Yeah, ma'am, because that's a lot of difference. It's almost 10,000.
10,000 difference is there. Yes, I can see that.
Yeah, ma'am. Fine.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the mess charge per month, average mess charge?
What?
What is the average mess charge per month?
Average mess
Mess
charge
charge.
will come around 5,000 depending on what you order.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I know the timing of outing and all?
Oh, okay. Just I forgot to mention that. Thank you for that question. So you can morning from 6 o'clock you can go out, and you have to be back in the hostel within 9:30 and maximum 10 o'clock.
For girls also, ma'am.
For girls also. For girls and boys, early morning. Like if you want to travel far, you can take special permission and can go out of the hostel even before 6 o'clock. But normally, 6 o'clock the gates will be open, and 6 a.m. the gates will be open and you can go out. And the return entry time is 9:30, and it can be extended till 10 o'clock. 10.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
even during the Pongal vacation or any vacation, colleges are closed. But if an hosteler wants to stay in the hostel and don't want to go home, so
You can stay in the hostel. There is no problem. You can stay in the hostel. Even if college is closed, you can stay in the hostel. And also, in case if an emergency comes, or like if you can have provision for cooking also. In case of emergency, you will be given permission for cooking also.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what is the what is the procedure of fees payment? Ma'am, is it yearly or we should?
Yearly. It
we are
is
divided
yearly.
in monthly.
It is yearly.
Banta,
Yearly.
water.
Excuse me?
Water bottle, Banta.
Water is like in every floor we have the filter. RO filters are there in every floor. Both boys hostel and girls hostel, RO filters are placed, and that is also maintained regularly. Regularly, those people who are that company people will come and clean it. So there is no scarcity of drinking water.
Ma'am, is there hot water facility now?
Hot water, 24 hours. Hot water is also available. We have solar water heater geyser is there. So 24 hours, hot water is also available.
Okay, ma'am.
Then anything else? Yes.
Cleaning of all hostel rooms.
Daily workers will be coming and cleaning the room. You don't have to worry about it. Daily they will come and clean the floors. Mopping and brooming is done. Even the outside corridor will be cleaned. Then the public washrooms will be cleaned by workers daily. Monday to Saturday. Sunday they'll not come. Monday to Saturday, every day they'll come and clean the rooms, corridors, washrooms.
Ma'am, what about attached washrooms?
Attached washrooms are available only for 2 sharing rooms.
They are cleaned daily or
It is also clean
in
daily.
what intervals?
No. Daily it is clean. I assure you,
Okay, ma'am.
daily it is clean. But remember, attached washroom is 2 sharing. Yes.
What about clothes?
Yes. Can you repeat?
What about food, ma'am? Food, veg and non-veg both will be, ma'am.
I didn't get you. Sorry.
Food, veg and non-veg both will be,
Veg
ma'am.
and non-veg. Both veg and non-veg are there. Freshly prepared and served.
Is there a laundry?
Laundry service is not there. But I think if you demand it together, I think it can be made possible. As of now, there is no laundry service. If you want, you can demand. Like you can ask the order. It was there before, but not many were using. That is why it was stopped. But if more people are interested to give for laundry, then again it can be restarted.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, the fees payment method is in advance, na? Yearly?
Yearly it is.
It's advance, or we can give this fees partly or after a year?
It is paid together in like per year. It is paid together, not in
No installments, ma'am.
no installment.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Is our canteen is near to our hostel?
Yes, very near.
Then what about our lunch?
Yes.
Then what about our lunch? How can we reach there from college?
Yeah, that is also very thoughtful. So lunch you can carry from canteen, or in our college campus we have within the campus we have canteen where you can get food. Even near to our college there are also you can have there are also outlets where you can get food. Don't worry.
Ma'am,
Okay.
CCTV surveillance
Thank you,
is
ma'am.
in every room, or
In
it's
every floor.
in campus only?
In every floor, inside the hostel, in every floor, you have CCTV surveillance. Not inside room.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Is the gym in hostel? Or?
Is the gym?
Yeah, gym.
It is in like ground floor of boys hostel.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
I mean, girls' hostel, there is not that option.
Sorry,
In girls' hostel, there is not the option of gymming.
there is
Not the option of gymming.
no. But this gym is common. You can this boys hostel is very near to girls hostel. Only. You can access the gym. It is common for both girls and boys.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can the hostel inmates get vehicles and park it in the hostel?
Yeah. You can see here vehicles. They are two-wheelers are parked. You can park vehicles also, no problem.
Okay.
Can we order food from outside, ma'am, like
Yes.
Zomato and that?
Zomato, Swiggy, Amazon, Flipkart, fresh menu, everything comes to your gate. Till the gate, it will be there. Till your girls' hostel gate, it will come.
Ma'am?
Even MACD is nearby, CCD is there nearby. Few other hotels are also nearby. You can walk. It is in walking distance, within walking distance.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Are we allowed to cook food?
Huh.
Are we allowed to cook food?
You are allowed when in case if canteen is not working. Like as of now, the canteen till since students are not there, canteen is not available. But for whoever is staying now in the hostel, they are allowed to cook. So in case of emergency, you can cook food.
Okay, ma'am.
You can carry your kettle, iron box. You have plug points inside the rooms. In three sharing room, we have 3 plug points. And lightings, fans, everything is there. In case if it is not working, you just can write in a book which is kept in the warden's table, and it will be maintained. Like the work will be done within 1 or 2 days. So everything is clear?
Ma'am, I have one more doubt.
Yeah. Ask,
Ma'am,
please.
in triple sharing room, there are how many washrooms are available? Only
In
one
triple
or two?
sharing, yeah, triple sharing room. There is no attached washroom, but only common washrooms are there. So common washroom, I think 4 or 5 washrooms are there in a floor. No, 10, both sides.
Okay.
So 8 or 10, 8 or 10. So triple
Okay.
sharing, that floor, full rooms will be triple sharing, and on both sides you have washroom, common washroom coming around 10.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the timing of breakfast?
Breakfast, you have the both South Indian and North Indian is there. Both South Indian and North Indian
At
breakfast.
what time?
By 7 o'clock. 7 a.m.
Ma'am, are localites allowed into hostels?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes. Please ask.
Any projector room like Showtime?
We
Sunday,
have a
Sunday.
recreation hall where there is television. Projector is not available. You can use it as a projector room if you have your personal projector.
Thanks, ma'am.
Ma'am, are there rooms for just a single person?
No.
Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am, so
Ma'am,
localites can
Just
come and
ask
visit their
warden.
friends in hostel.
Yes,
Localites can
Ma'am,
come and
food
visit
charge.
their friend's hostel.
localites can come and visit, but they can stay only till 10 o'clock. After that, they have to leave.
Okay, yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
How many times do we get food in one day?
How many?
How many times?
Ah,
Yeah, do we get food in one day?
you can have food as many times as you want because you can go to canteen, pay and have.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
ma'am, is the food charges are included in the fees?
No, no, no.
Ma'am,
It's not included. Not included.
okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, if we are staying in the hostel for 2-3 years, we will get the same room, or
Same
the
room
room
only.
is changed in every year,
No, no, no. It's not shuffle.
and same roommates.
Same roommates. And if you find any difficulty, you can ask the warden for a change of room. No issue.
Okay, ma'am. If we have friends in our room, in our class itself, can we can stay in one room?
Ma'am,
That depends upon the availability. We can like you can say your preference. Depending upon the availability, it will be done.
Okay,
ma'am,
ma'am.
are we gonna share our rooms with dental girls also?
That's what it is. It depends upon the availability of the room. Sometimes you can tell your preference and whatever possible will be done. You'll have to maybe just sometimes stay with even dental students also.
But then, ma'am, like from my department, if the girls is there, so we can share our room with them also, right? That would be beneficial,
Uh,
I guess.
that's what it depends upon whether if a room is available, if an empty room is available, and if you both are coming, it will be given to you. But if
Okay.
no such empty room is available, maybe a dental girl is staying alone, then you will be put in that room. But no
Okay.
issue. There is no such thing as ragging or senior junior thing. There
No,
is nothing of that sort is there. Don't
okay,
worry.
ma'am.
You can always like warden stays in the first floor. You can always go for help. Like if at all nothing of that sort is happening in our hostel. So if at all some difficulties, then you can always go for help from warden. And even I am staying in third floor. So no such issues are there. No senior junior. No such things happen. So you don't have to worry about that.
Ma'am,
I have
Yes.
already taken the two shared room. I have already
Huh.
booked the two shared room. So from the next year, can I shift to third shared? Or if I have
Can you
taken
just
third
repeat? I'm not like I cannot hear you properly. Its voice is breaking.
shared, ma'am, I'm just saying, as I have taken two shared room, so next year
Huh.
onwards, can I shift into three shared room?
You can shift to 3 sharing also. No problem. You can shift.
ma'am, when the class started, when we will book the hostel?
Um, that circular is, I think it's not, it has not come. I guess it's from November.
Ma'am, if there are free rooms or something, and if two people come together to like book a room, can they like get into an agreement to stay in the same room or something like that?
There is no agreement like that, but you can always say
No,
your
ma'am, if
preference.
two come together
Huh.
asking to take a room,
Yeah.
At that time, if there are rooms free, could
Then it will
they,
be
yeah,
fine. You can stay together, no problem.
okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning.
Yes, ma'am. I actually wanted to ask that one of my friends from KLE Belgaum received a notification yesterday that the colleges will resume from 20th of
20th of
October.
Okay.
Yeah. So is the same gonna happen with our college also?
Yes, same.
20th of October, huh? Because he had a link attached with that message to fill the necessary details and all that.
Now, if any notification comes, definitely your it will be put in your WhatsApp group. So once it is
Okay.
confirmed, it will be put in your WhatsApp group. No, don't worry.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
College starting offline or online?
Offline, I meant.
Offline.
Yeah. The Belgaum one, not ours.
I thought permission's not given for that. Okay.
Ma'am, still the KE counseling is going on, no, ma'am.
What? Can you repeat? Any more doubts?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes. Have you got any more doubts?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, what about the drying of clothes?
The terrace is there where you can dry your clothes. It is spacious.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Washing machine.
Ma'am, are washing machines allowed?
Actually, as of now, washing machine and laundry service is not there. But together in group, if you request, it will be that facility also can be made available. Because before the laundry service were given, but since nobody was using it, it was stopped. So if you can request, some people together can request and it can be initiated.
No, ma'am. If I can personally bring.
Personally, you cannot use. I'm sorry.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, please repeat the hostel's name once again.
Girls' hostel name is Rani Chennamma and boys' hostel name is Kuvempu. I'll show you the address.
Okay, ma'am.
This is our hostel address.
Done, ma'am.
I hope all queries are resolved.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, happy stay in the KLA hostels. Thank you all for your patient listening.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you, ma'am.
you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.